Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Roman Ro Telehealth, which is a popular online healthcare services offering treatments for men's health, skincare, and more. So before we dive in, you can check out the link in the description to explore this website for yourself. So Roman is a telehealth platform that connects users with the licensed doctors and provide prescription treatments for the conditions like hair loss, skincare, and other general health, all in form of the comfort of your home. So here are some of the pros of this particular website. So first of all, there is no in-person visits, so it is very convenient for users. You are going to get all of the things, everything actually all in done at one place online. You are also going to find the licensed US doctors, so consultations are handled by the certified medical professionals, which is also a good thing. The medications are also delivered in the plain packaging for privacy, and you get the medications automatically refilled and delivered. Now there are some of the cons of this particular website as well. You can see that it is not working properly, and I don't know why. Maybe it would be working in your country. There is no insurance covered over here. Most of the treatments are out of the pocket expenses, and there is no emergency care or the complex medical condition, so it also provides limited services. So the question here is whether you should use Roman or not. So in my opinion, Roman is a great choice if you need discreet, convenient, and expert approved treatments for common men's health concerns. However, if you prefer in-person doctor visits or insurance covered treatments, it may not be the best fit. If you want to try Roman, you can check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next.